just arrived at Rheinfall, as you can see behind me, pretty spectacular. The last time we came, there was actually a car park over that side, which was empty. For some reason we won't be able to find it, but so basically you take the car park route, and it actually takes you down to a load of car parks down where you've got motorhome parking and so forth. But there is actually another car park over that side, which actually is a little bit better if you do get a chance to find it, but we lost our bearings a bit. But anyway, as you can see behind me, spectacular Rheinfalls. I'll try and get the drone up later on to show some footage of that. Down this end you've got, over that side, you've got some boats and so forth you can take out, which actually take you out right up to the neck of it. As you can see, there's some steps and so forth, hopefully you see in the distance. Yeah, so I'm just going to pan you around and actually give you some sights from less of my ugly mug and more of the Rheinfalls. It's pretty spectacular, to be perfectly honest. But what you can actually do, just over there, you can actually pay, I think, about €5 or so, and you can actually walk down to actually go right up to where that wash is. You can just see the red flag. You can actually go down there and actually get some close views from that side, which I'll try and get to later on. Maybe drop some photos of that as well. Once again, it's pretty immense to actually look at. But in the meantime, I will sign off and take some photos later on. Okay, we're just taking on the right side of the Rheinfall, just walking up the steps. Just actually a little walk on the side here. Just make our way around the side. Take it there. I'll just pan round to show you the Rheinfalls from distance. Okay, when coming down to the Rheinfalls, the best place to go and see it, if you actually head from the very top, you go through the castle and onto the right hand side, north facing it is. If you go through there, you go down a set of steps, and eventually there's a viewpoint. We're just on our way down, so I'm just going to show you what you do is you get the best of the viewpoint. I'm just going to walk you down from here. Right, just getting up to the final part where you can get to the best viewpoint. So this is just another little obstacle on the way down. As you can see, we can actually get a boat and actually takes you out to that centre island view. In fact, I believe it's probably over there is where you actually get it done. Okay, we've finally reached the best viewpoint of Rheinfalls. I just pan you round to get it. As you can see, it's pretty spectacular. Yeah, I suppose the only other better one might be the boats down there, possibly. But I'm hoping to try and get some drone footage up later on, so you can sort of see it up from the air. There is actually another viewing platform just down there as well. If you want to get down there, might have a little wander down there and actually see what the view's down there. Personally, I think this is one of the better ones, but we'll get back to you shortly. Okay, get fairly close to this. I don't know whether you can hear me going over this, the wall, but it's pretty loud. Yeah, you get pretty close now, so I'll just try and get that